everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to record voiceovers directly into Premiere Pro. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your external hard drive and create a new folder for the Premiere project file and your voiceovers. You're going to do this by clicking this icon right here, press New Folder, and then you can name it whatever you want. For today, I'm going to name it Tutorial Test Project. Then you're going to want to open that folder and create another new folder inside this folder. And you are going to want to name it VOs, voiceovers, whatever you want to do. And this is where you're going to be saving your voiceovers and your audio files later. Next, you're going to want to open up Premiere and save your project as you normally would. So to do that, I'm going to click New Project. First, I will name the project Test Tutorial Project. Then I will save it to my external hard drive and save it in that new folder that we just created. So go to your hard drive, find the folder. I name mine Tutorial Test Project, and you can choose that as a place to save it. Then you will go down here and press Create. The first thing you want to do after you've created your new project is to make sure your voiceovers are saved to a separate folder in your external hard drive, which was the folder I created that was named VOs, so you can find them easier later. To do this in Premiere, we're going to go to, at the top here, File, all the way down to Project Settings and Scratch Disks. This is where you are going to find the captured audio setting, and you want to make sure that setting is on custom, because that means we can choose where the voiceovers we record are going to be saved. So once you click custom, click browse so you can choose the spot that you want them saved. And we're going to click on this VO folder, which is in the test tutorial project folder, the new folder that I created for this project. So I'm going to choose that, press OK. Next, you're going to open a file for your project and put it on the timeline. So I just chose an image that I'm going to drag over to the timeline. Next, once you have this image in the timeline, you're going to right-click this little microphone here and go to VoiceOver Record Settings. And you're going to make sure that the system default is the Rode Podcaster mic, because you don't want to record your audio off the computer's internal microphone because it won't sound good. So if it's Rode Podcaster, you're good to go. You can also check your audio levels on the bar right here and make sure that they are in a good range. So to record your voiceover, you will click on this microphone icon right here. But before you do that, you want to make sure you mute the Mac that you're working on while you record that voiceover, or you're going to hear yourself echo through the computer, and that'll sound really weird as you're recording the voiceover. So I muted my Mac, and now I'm going to click this microphone icon. You also want to make sure when recording a voiceover to speak across the top of the Rode Podcaster microphone, not directly into it. So I'm going to press Record. There's going to be a countdown, and then I can start speaking. And whenever I am done recording the voiceover and speaking, I hit the space bar to stop it, and you will see the track appears in the timeline in Premiere Pro. Once your track is in Premiere Pro, you can edit it and adjust the audio levels as needed. And now that we've recorded our audio, if we go back to our external hard drive and open up the folder that we recorded our audio in, click the VO folder, we can see that this is where our audio saved to. It's saved in that separate folder on the external hard drive.